just leave the power right where it's at, and oh, go around.
Peirce traffic, Sky 736, Mike Juliet, turning downwind for 17, left downwind for 17. Peirce.
And then I'm looking to be about halfway up my wing spar for the runway.
278, turning
so
final.
we're wider than I fly my patterns by quite a bit. It's up to you, it's not that big a deal, but I like to be in a position like on that base turn, if I lose my engine, I want to be able to make it.
Right.
But I feel like I'm a little far out here.
Bow flaps are still closed. That's about halfway for my...
And those should have been open for pickup, but it's all good.
County 2012 November is on a left base 17, touch and go, Peirce.
See the left base traffic.
Head me a little bit more that way. So my nose kind of off towards Seattle skyline. Because we're crabbing out as we come. We're getting pushed out.
All right.
Coming up midfield, gear should be down about 45 back there.
Take gear down.
Peirce County traffic, Cessna 8042,
Power
clear.
car beacon come out, power comes back. I verify that that's there, and then I push my prop full forward, and then I bring in my flaps.
10 degrees.
So it's that same flow each time. And my prop doesn't go forward until I see green. Then I'm going full prop. It's kind of that's my cue to do it. Because it's easy to forget to check for 3 green. And then we want to do as many green checks as possible. And I like this turn right here. This is where we should have done it.
Peirce traffic, Sky 736, Mike Juliet, turning left base 17. Peirce. Okay.
Down in green. We can't say it too many times, but we can say it once, not enough.
Okay. Okay, he's on short final.
Peirce County traffic, Cessna 278, clearly active, Peirce County.
Peirce traffic, Sky 736, Mike Juliet, turning final 17, Peirce. Alright, so we're gonna hold here.
So we got it, so I dump in some flap.
20 degrees.
And the flap range, so make sure you're checking that first, and then good, I put in another one, leave my power at 1500. So leave it up there. One more notch of flaps. Now before, I just leave my power there at 1500 solid, and I just keep flying here for a little bit, because before we keep losing this, right? And then watch my 64, holding that right there. Holding it right here, just leave the power right where it's at, and, oh, go around. Peirce County traffic, Cessna 63 Mike Juliet is going around for left close Peirce, and we are over the traffic that just pulled on the runway, Peirce.
Okay, that's a first.
And we want cow flaps open, if we can. Full power's up, flaps are coming to 20. Initially, don't worry about your gear till the end of the runway. And we're climbing out at 72. So a little more pitch up.
2012 November's on a left cross, one has a 5-lane traffic, turning down one inside, we'll follow looping number 2.
Okay, let's step over, and we've got our full power, and let's go ahead and lift that gear. And we don't want that guy coming into our
traffic, yellow chairman, downwind runway 17, Peirce County.
And you can clean up that last notch of flaps.
Traffic 90 hotel departing the pattern to the south.
And let's go ahead and kick over a little bit. I still did not have sight on that plane. Yeah, look over here, look over here. See them? Right over Clover Park?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's number 40 violation, isn't it?
Pretty close, but they were... And then the sundowner's over here. Man.
I don't see him anymore.
He's behind you.
County 2012 November's on the left downwind 17, number 2 to full stop, Peirce.
But you handled that way calmer than I would have.
You know, I fly in Peirce County. Get used to it.
Peirce traffic, Scotty 736, Mike Juliet, entering left downwind for 17.
So we got 2, we got a yellow guy, and we got this guy. So let's back our power out. Cow flaps can go closed. Gear can come down to slow us down, and back that power all the way back over.
Peirce County traffic, yellow chairman, left base runway 17, Peirce County.
Alright, gear is down and green.
And then this prop, let's bring that back a bit. So now it's reporting 23, weird. And then back your power even more. And then we're gonna be climbing above him and over if he's gonna be crazy. So let's kind of kick out here a bit.
Okay.
Because he's staying in the pattern, I know he is.
Alright.
Yep, dang.
Car beat on.
Let's go ahead and kick out here. Peirce County traffic, Skyline 36 Mike Juliet is behind the Sundowner on the downwind. Kind of maneuvering here slowly to separate a little bit. Peirce.
Peirce County 2012 November, Sundowner is on that left.
I didn't even see him.
That's okay. Full stop number 2, Peirce.
I was looking at the biplane.
Yep, no, that's why I'm...
Peirce County traffic, I'll share my final
I don't know if I want to do my check ride in Peirce County.
Welcome to Peirce.
Jeepers,
So now,
creepers.
extended downwind turning base for us. Let them know that we're extended, because somebody's not going to expect to see us here either.
Peirce traffic, Skyline 736 Mike Juliet is extending our downwind to spacing left downwind 17, Peirce.
And you can make your turn. We're good. We just don't want to surprise somebody else that's behind us that we don't know about.
And Peirce 736 Mike Juliet is turning left base for 17, Peirce.
Yeah, so that's where, you know, if you get mad at somebody, then you're busy mad at them, and we...
Yeah.
So I just, whatever.
All right, 10-degree flaps.
Okay, extended flap range for that one. Cow flaps are closed. Gear is down in green. Carb heat is on. Throttle is 1500 now, and prop is can go full forward. I backed it out a bit there on the downwind.
All right.
Looking good. Yeah, nobody coming straight in, which don't be surprised if they do.
Oh yeah, I know.
And then also watch out for the guy inside you right now. That's your
I don't
most
have him in
dangerous.
sight, but
There isn't one.
Okay.
But I don't think there is, but that's our most dangerous point because we're turning, we can't see. And I
Peirce
have
traffic, Skyline 736 Mike Juliet turning final 17, Peirce.
I have seen Chandel have that issue.
Peirce County
Where somebody
2012
turned right
November,
into her
final
inside.
17, we're going to be full stop here.
And I watched them just going to collide. Neither saw each other.
All right. So slowing down here.
And, you know, I mean, I've got the power, engine's running, I'll put in the next one. It's the last one I worry about.
Right.
And my power just stays at 15 here.
All right.
Down in green. Gas undercarriage, props mixture, everything's good, seatbelts are good. We're coming in, we're looking for our sight picture. We want to get a little deeper into it. I'm looking to get near 65 here. Just as I pull that power, I'm pushing right forward to go catch it.
Right.
Because if I don't, then I lose 5 knots like that, and then the drop is crazy on this. All right, so we're coming in here.
Peirce County traffic, I'll share my downwind.
I'm looking for that second stripe, so right there, pull my power. Now we game a little bit higher this time, right? And I'm just
Full
pushing
flaps.
forward for it. Oh yeah, flaps full, sorry. Dang it. Holding 65. And then this would be, we're almost in that go-around territory, right? Because we're a little high.
Yeah, we are
so
high.
let's add a little bit of right rudder.
Peirce County 2012 November,
Feel the drop?
clear, 17, Peirce.
So it's bringing us right down on that third stripe, which isn't awful, but I would have done a go-around just for it. I'm going to flare Hurley. It sticks, maximum braking. Flaps are simulated up, and I build the back pressure, and I don't go crazy with the real braking for sure, and I'll go the other end of this. Straight down, Bob. Then turn. Cool. That's sort of the short field in craziness, but so you're like, I'm not learning anything. Did that make sense though?
Yeah.
Peirce County
So we were
traffic,
long, so we would have gone around.
I would have gone around.